Hello, and thank you for joining me. This is Mark McKenna with Realtor Executives. It's February 2023. Just want to give you a real quick market update, kind of what's going on with the market. Well, as you know, that we had kind of a recap here back in November or so. We've had our peak inventory levels, and then all of a sudden we started dropping, and then we're now about 16,000 homes on the market. That was in January. Now we're about 15,000 homes on our market. That means we're about a 9% roughly decline in our inventory, and we're seeing buyers come out early this year. So we've had about 7,500 homes sold this year in January, which is fantastic. February is looking like we're on target with that. So we're seeing the buyers again coming out. Sellers are very slow in moving inventory on the market. I think that's probably because a couple of reasons. One is they want to prepare their house for market, and these trades are taking a little bit longer in order to do that. But we are seeing a steady flow of income or inventory coming on the market. Now, will this inventory actually be enough for the buyer demand, our peak buyer demand coming out? Probably right around May, end of April, May kind of time frame. And if we're not at, we're right now about 3 to 4 months worth of inventory. Balanced market's about 6. We're not going to get there. We just don't see how we're going to get there. So it's probably going to be a real tight market. Some of the things that may cause some fluctuations, as far as inventory and buyers coming out, well, of course, inflation. That's one. But right now we're kind of in a decent spot with inflation. I mean, all things considered, where we thought we were going to be at this point. And then the other thing is the rates. Rates, are up. They're up. Oh, it's 6.5%. 6.5%. That's not that bad. Okay. I think a lot of buyers are starting to realize this. So, and whether you're a seller or a buyer in this market, the word is readiness. You need to be ready for the market. Prepare your house for market, because top homes are going to be selling, period. If it looks good, they'll sell. Buyers, you have to make sure that you are prepared to compete in this market. That's going to be the key thing, because inventory is coming on slowly, so you want to be locked and loaded with your financing so that you're able to have time to look for homes as they come on the market. And expect it's going to get busier out there as we get closer to the summertime. So those are kind of a little bit of a snapshot of kind of what's going on. So if you're thinking about timing the market and everything else, don't do that, okay? It's like staring at a fan on high speed, trying to figure out where the blades are. Oh, I found it. There it is. Oh, well, it's too late. You missed it. So think of yourself in this case. Be selfish, okay? What's your situation? What's best for you? And then you talk it over with your realtor and be able to really home in on that right property for you. It's a great time to be out there. I would say come out early now, buyers. Do that, because that's what's happening. You'll be able to kind of scour the inventory out there a lot easier. So kind of see what happens. That's it for now. Stay tuned for next month. We're looking good. So take care.